Hello everyone, welcome to Lemon Ginger. Hope you're all doing fine. I'm Asha. So as we're getting ready for Christmas, we would be thinking what to make for the breakfast, lunch and dinner. So here is an amazing, easy chicken curry recipe. You would be thinking it is just another chicken curry. What is so special in that? The speciality is the way that it's made and the taste that it's giving. So just try this out and I'm sure that you will love it. So let's see how this amazing easy peasy chicken curry is made. If you're here in this channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to it and please don't forget to share it with the friends and family if you like it. So let's start cooking. So I have taken here the big jar of a blender or a mixie, and to it goes 4 medium-sized onions. I have roughly chopped it into cubes. 2 tomatoes, that's also cut into cubes. To it goes 5 green chilies, 2-inch pieces of ginger and 10 to 12 garlic cloves. I'm going to blend it now. I've blended it well and it's going to be like this. You can see it's nicely blended. And now I'm keeping this aside. Now set the stove on medium flame and I'm placing a big pan onto it. I'm gonna pour 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. To it goes 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, a few curry leaves and 2 dried red chilies. Stir it for a couple of seconds. Keep stirring, we don't want the fennel seeds to get burnt, and adjust the flame accordingly. As I'm going to add the curry powders, I'm going to reduce this flame to low. To it, I'm going to add 2.5 tablespoons of chili powder, coriander powder 2.5 tablespoons. So you need to add the coriander powder just as much as you have taken the chili powder. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And now I'm going to add 3.5 teaspoons of garam masala. So when you're adding the spices or the curry powders, make sure that you're adding according to your spice level. So the chicken curry that I have made here is a medium spicy one. So if you want a spicy or less spicy one, add the spices accordingly, according to your taste. So keep stirring this for around 2 minutes or until the raw taste of that powders fade away. And now it's time to add the blended paste of the onions, tomatoes, green chilies, ginger and garlic. And now it's time to stir all the ingredients well. You need to stir it for around 8 to 10 minutes or until the raw taste of all these ingredients fade away. Now I'm adding salt and continue stirring. As you can see, the gravy started boiling really well and the raw taste of all these ingredients have gone. And now I'm going to add the chicken. I have taken here 1.5 kilos of chicken, medium sized curry cut pieces. Now it's time to stir the chicken with the gravy. Stir really well so that the gravy reaches all the parts of the chicken, all the pieces of chicken. So as you can see, such an easy chicken curry this is. You have to definitely try this out, and I'm sure once after trying this you will definitely go for this recipe. So I've kind of mixed very well. Now I'm going to add water to it. I'm adding 1 cup of water. So I want the chicken curry to have a little gravy, that's why I'm adding 1 cup of water. But if you do not want this much gravy, if you want it a little dry, Then just need to add quarter to half cup of water. Adding more curry leaves and continue stirring until it is mixed really well. Now let it start boiling, and once it starts boiling, it's time to close the pan and cook for around 20 to 25 minutes. Now after 25 minutes, the chicken curry looks like this. I did stir in between. Now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 4 green chilies and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and I'm stirring it again. The freshness of this garam masala, the green chilies and the coconut oil enhances the flavor and the taste of this chicken curry, so you should not avoid this step. But if you do not want the green chilies, you can add 1.5 teaspoons of freshly grounded black pepper. To it I am pouring the juice of 1 lemon just to add the tanginess. It's really tasty if you add this lemon juice last and give a nice stir at last. To combine everything really well, just stir for a minute or two and you can switch off the stove. And that's it, yummy chicken curry is made. Try this out and I'm sure that you all would love it, and let me know how did it go for you. So until I come with a new recipe next week, stay safe you all, and a very happy weekend to everyone.